What's unique about 6150 University's training is not only do we cover the theory and the principles, but we also back that up with actually doing hands-on configurations, showing how 6150 is implemented across the various different vendors' platforms.
What excites me about this journey is not just the digital transformation, but where it leads next. We use the hands-on demonstration to enforce the ideas and topics that we talk about in our slides so that they understand the fundamentals of 61850. We're also going through testing and commissioning opportunities where they can troubleshoot an actual system and figure out what is not working correctly and be able to point that figure in the right direction.
They teach you the fundamentals, they teach you the basics, the concepts, then they build upon it and they bring you into the live scenario, the practical scenario where you can apply it at your workplace.
Though I'm in the office or in the training center, but I see myself on the field because the way they have modeled the systems, similar to what we see in our substations out there. I encourage everybody to come in.
We've updated all of our equipment. We've also incorporated both centralized protection as well as virtualized protection, covering all different aspects of a digital substation.
If ever you want to take this course, just be prepared. They're going to blow your mind.
If interested in 61850, or if you're already deployed 61850, I highly encourage you to visit 61850university.com.